Kwame Adinkra diffuses anti-Bawumia propaganda at Akweside. We ne favor. Kwame, you know all you say. Obo region, now abo MP Sebai. Obo region, now abo MP Sebai. Eti, sa wamu dia, no say you. Sa lessons uluzu aneya. Sa sanity. Enu ti nsem bi Kwame Adinkra nyame sraw. Kwame say, omo di omo full say. Omo kika Bawumia ho nsem a ena beboa wo mo no. Ono woni mu ho adaje o. Wo ye ni obetimi bia. Obedi no kura mane ho. Enya wo ena be pia no so onkodi ntro. Ensaka ira Kwame Adinkra sa o church ni nsem na manfo agina no e di akosi boni me say yes. Propaganda for tia Bawumia. Wo kro wani anu. Wani wuyi. Wo ye bibia tia Bawumia wo anya wani wu. I don't know say na say gino say ko. Hwaminsano. Eko. And everybody say eko na chi o. Ah. O se bi ni awo fi okra ka eko na chi. Na ko na chi aka Bawumia dia wo ye. Hu so walusu. Hu so walusu. Na dia jimi no ai jimi. Ada odi ohun. Oh, so lusu. I just open up a catcher. Open so who's about me, Winia. Shay Mediway. How till some person who said Dr. Mamudu Bawumia Jemai. While we need this election, Shasania Kontonchi. Boy here, Kuma. A yet, Nana Mampo him a 2 meter. None of my boy Piao. And then Yankwada. And you shall. Nana kwa the bomb Bawumia penny here. Adam Musa Santa might get it to me na man. You go heavy, or call bomb Bawumia in here. You go heavy. You go heavy.
That is the word you use. You use the word penny for the vice president to destroy the vice president. I don't know what God will do. Now you say you are in NPP. So what if the vice president now wins and become the flag bearer of NPP? What are you going to do? Are you going to leave now because according to you, Penny cannot lead NPP or Penny cannot lead this country again? Sometimes now we actually say, Mahama or ye Penny to say ya Sebi, ye Papa Bawumia, so ye Penny na. Sometimes, yeah, Mama Mayem fire out. We're gonna for me better hana me catch them all. Better I'm catching them say Marie Buedu on any day shouldn't have been a bad person at all. Okay, when I started working on it. But Wama Bibi a friend or Yao. Or Yao, I wanted to be noticed. I wanted to be part of something. You people didn't give me the chance to do what I want to do. You people didn't give me the opportunity to do what I want to do. Enti abeye bonyono amame. Enti na Marie sorry na oka bibia keke. I told you people this. I told you people this. Na kebeye de no ba besie nyane no waka se storm out. Opese DC wa America na nka ye koku omo MPs no. Any of my no, including the vice president, no, APNC Ghana. This is how you take power. NDC you to look at what the Americans are doing. That Marie, I will remember you these words so that when you go on your knee and pray, you will ask for forgiveness. You sat on your platform and insulted me, said the between me, but I'm between you, me try. I say na major is a guy. To say I need him, I mean, I'm going to be baby into my life and I buy a bed. But Marie, you kept your kids, fed them good, and told the Ghanaian kid that cannot afford Gerisokin spread, he said, Uncle, because they didn't give the abano to Mahama. I feel when we say Mahama, you're incompetent. I feel when we say Mahama, and your papa. I feel when we say NDC, and your papa. So, Marie, what would have happened if they have made you the chairlady or whatever you were vying for in the UK? Only UK for these days, I can't send you. information, but I decided, say, let me leave you. Me information, only NDC if we were a UK. Giddy, blah, Evangelist Bradela, sorry for failing you, but I'm not here for the views. Why? I'm here to give information to the people that want to get information and not for the views.
Say it was in response to what the former president said when he went for an interview during his campaign tour. Say polling stations, I mean, the comments made by the former president.
Now, the statement of the former president said polling station
A do or die affair.
Polling station Juana Grono Obwa.
Say a boot for boot. A do or die affair.
First one, no. Me say, the can't say polling station na Grono Obwa.
And they are saying himself right John Bekan years back, say if you want to win an election, must be the polling station.
Okay. Do or die is an idiomatic expression for any English teacher. No, until a time we make his statement, people were trying to bring it closer to or die. Do or die. An expression they a ma bibia. I was a ubiye. Na oyeni. So the NDC's flag bearer tells Nkrof was a Agronankasa war polling station. It's going to be a do or die affair, which the old the expression on what Tiasia is telling you that make sure that the right things are done. If I talk, we are. Does it warrant?
I mean, do or die there. As in fact, because I want to so everything you have to do it to make sure say a police station and do or die. Boot for boot.
You see, when you want to do the Uye out of the then you misinform the people. If you let your producers go into English dictionary, if you won't find do or die.
And do or die is not the same as or die be die.
That is the point. That's the difference. Or die be die. It is not in the dictionary. It is not studied in the classroom. By do or die is studied in the classroom. It's a statement that you did trade a dear a customer nipa, a dear nina suo, a chile will be said.